Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos. So today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the subscription box called Fabfitfun. So basically, the subscription box, if you don't know it, they send you like lifestyle thingies, makeup, things for your home, just like different products. And usually the boxes are around $50 per season. They have the winter, summer, spring, and fall. I think there are like around 10 products. So I'm gonna be reviewing this company and like if it's worth it or not. So if you wanna see more about it and if you're thinking on subscribing to this box, let's jump into the video. So like I mentioned, these boxes, they send you like around 10 products, and they are full-size products, which is what I thought would be like really great, and it caught my attention because usually like subscription boxes don't send you full-size products except BoxyCharm, which I've been subscribed to them for a long time already, and I really like it because it's all makeup, and honestly that's what I'm interested in the most. So how I started with these boxes is they had a deal going on for the fall season box. They were giving it out for $25, which I thought it was like a big discount because it's usually $50 for one box per season. So I thought I would take advantage of it, and a friend had just subscribed to them and she told me she loved it. She posted it on her social media, and so she told me about this discount and I decided to try it out. So I went ahead, I applied it, and it didn't get to my house until like 2 months later, and I would email them every time. The first time that I emailed them, they replied to me saying that one of my options didn't go through, because in these boxes you get customizations, which means that you can choose 3 products that will go in your box. Like, they're not completely surprised, you will choose them and you have like different options. But for this one, like, my option didn't go through and they didn't tell me anything until I emailed them. So that kind of bothered me, and it was like the main thing, but I was like, okay, like it doesn't matter, I will just like choose it now, because he sent a picture and he was like, yeah, just choose one from here, and it will be processed and we will send it to you. So I did that and they still didn't send it. I would log in and it would just show up on my page, on my account, as being processed and awaiting shipment. They sent me an email like a couple of weeks later saying that they were gonna charge me for the next season, because remember, this was the fall season and winter was coming. So they were gonna charge me for that season, and I emailed them again and said, hey, I don't think it's fair for me to pay already for the next season if I don't know if I'm gonna like the subscription, because I hadn't tested any products. I don't know how the box is gonna come out, so just want to know like what's going on there. And they assured me that the box was gonna get here before the charge was gonna be made, and that didn't happen. They finally got to my house like mid-December. So I ordered the first one in October and it took almost 2 months to get to me. And then the winter, like that one didn't take that long because it was gonna be for like December, like that season. So that didn't take long, but I don't know why the fall box took so long. So basically, like, this is my experience with these boxes. I don't love them. I'm still not subscribed to them. I canceled it right away, and I just think they were very disorganized. But now we're gonna move on to what the boxes include, and if you would think that it would be worth for you, and if you're interested on being subscribed to them. So this is the fall box. Like I said, there are 10 products here, so that's why it's very big. I think I already took one out from here. I'm not sure, because I was waiting to make this video to have like both boxes to do it. So basically, like, when you open it, you have something like this. They give you a coupon for HelloFresh, which I'm not gonna use. They also give you a magazine, which I'm also not gonna use. Then another thing that it includes is these baggage claim under eye masks, which I do like them. Like, this is a big thumbs up for this box. I've used them before with BoxyCharm and I think they're really good. Although this time, like, they sent more than BoxyCharm. Over here they send you 6 packages, and BoxyCharm usually sends you like 3, I think, so half of the product. Then the next thing that they sent me was this grinder. I honestly not gonna use it. I'm probably gonna give it out to my parents so they can use it. The next two things that I want to show you is more like fashion related. They sent this earrings, which I also don't think I'm gonna use because I mean they're not that good quality. They're from the brand Bubble Bar, and yeah, I just don't think I'm gonna use them, and my ears are very sensitive, so I'm not gonna use them either. Like I said, I'm all about makeup products and skincare products, so these two are really good and I am gonna use. So this one is the skincare lotion, I think. It says a body souffle. I'm pretty sure it's a lotion. Definitely gonna try it out. It's vegan and cruelty free, so that's like a thumbs up for this one. And then this other one is the hair treatment. This is from Avita, so this is a known brand. It's really good, and I'm always like applying hair treatments, so these two are like a thumbs up on that box. And if you remember, I mentioned earlier that you're able to customize your box, so you choose two things, and the one that didn't go through, I just opted for like a surprise me kind of thing. So they sent me these two products right here, and this first one, it's from Dr. Brand. It's also a really good brand. This is a pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser. It says it dissolves stubborn impurities, helps replenish skin moisture, maintains skin's pH balance. So this one I'm definitely gonna use to wash my face. Then this other one, it's the foot treatment. I really like this one. I had one from Lush. It was like a scrub kind of thing, and I really like it, so I'm also gonna use this one. Then the other thing that they sent was this exfoliating sugar cubes, and like I said, I have like a sugar scrub from Lush and I love it, so I'm dying to use this one as well. So like overall for this fall box, I would say like I'm gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6 out of 10 items, which is like not that bad. I don't think like these boxes are really my thing. But now let's move on to the winter box and see what it has. Now this is the winter box. It's also like around the same size, and they should include also like up to 10 products. Like I said, I already took some up here, and personally I think like this winter box is way better than the fall one. At least like it has more products that I'm gonna use. One of the first things that they sent were was this hand mask. So basically they look like gloves, and you put them over your hands and you leave it like around 15 to 20 minutes, and it's supposed to smooth them and make them look better. I'm not like super excited about it because I tried one for my feet and it didn't work, so hopefully this one does. And then the other thing they sent were these natural Dead Sea bath salts. I don't usually use bath salts, but I guess that we can start using them, and at least they smell really good. So I'll let you guys know like how these things work. This box includes more skincare and makeup products, so that's why like I think I liked it a little bit more. This next thing that they sent were these lashes from Badminton Lashes, and I love their lashes. I've had them before from the BoxyCharm boxes, and I love how they look. I love their style. So and I'm always like using falsies, so I will use them, and I love this brand. The next thing they sent was this moisturizing cream. It says condition and restores, and it's from Kate Somerville, which is a really good brand. The only thing I would wish that Fabfitfun sent you was like a list of all the prices to see like how much your box is worth, because I didn't receive that. I don't know, like they usually send it, but I didn't get that. This other one is like a mini hand cream, which I love it. It's so cute, and I will definitely have it on my purse with me to carry on everywhere. And it says it's a nourishing balm to oil. I don't know the brand, so I don't know like how much this would be worth, but I think it's like super cute, and I will definitely be having it with me, at least like to go to school or to work. The next thing, I'm really surprised they sent it, like surprised and excited. They sent the makeup eraser, which is technically just a towel, but you're just supposed to apply some water to it and it will remove your makeup instantly. Like you don't need any face wipes or anything like that, and it's supposed to work really good. So can't wait to try this out and see if it actually works or not. And I think like these are usually like 20 something, like from $20 to $30, So I'm really excited to try this one out. I've been dying to do it, but like I said, I wanted to wait for this video. And it's for makeup eraser. And the last thing they sent was this Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. I already have one from Oribe, I think. Yeah, I have one and I haven't run out of it, but I do love it. It has helped my hair so much, and I don't pull my hair that much when brushing it. So I'm definitely gonna be using this one, and this one is from Drybar. So I know like these ones are also pretty expensive, and this one also works as a heat protectant. So like myself, that I straighten my hair very often, this will help so much. Overall, I don't think like it's a bad box, because like I said, for the winter one, I will use some of their products, or like most of the products. So I'm pretty happy with what they include. I just don't think that they have a good customer service or organization. But let me know in the comments if you have like any bad experiences with them or with any subscription box. And if you want me to try any subscription box that you're scared of subscribing to, let me know and I can also do that. So yeah, just leave me your thoughts on subscription boxes and Fabfitfun if you've been subscribed to it. So yeah, I hope that you really like this video and find it useful and maybe like save you some money. So yeah, hope to see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.